data is the fuel of 21st century. So in order to collect this data, in order to organize this data, in order to analyze this data and to interpret this data, we just required some tool. So that's this statistics. It's the study of how to collect the data, how to organize the data, and how to analyze and how to interpret the data. Statistics is the study of all those things. Everywhere we just require statistics. If we just take an example of medicine, right? In the field of medicine, like where the doctors, they're just using many machines, many equipments. For example, let's say while calculating the heartbeat. So for all the things, statistics is required. And similarly, if we just take an example of weather forecast, so even there we just require statistics to analyze that huge amount of data. So not only in those fields, in everywhere the statistics is there. Let's take a small example, right? Daily we used to walk, we used to run. So if you want to calculate the amount of calories you just burn, if you want to do that, statistics is required, right? And for example, let's say if you just go to shop, if you just want to ask some discount, so even there statistics is involved. So everywhere in the world, every field, we just have statistics. So accordingly, even in data science, the statistics plays a vital role. So in this series of videos, we will see what are all the topics we have in statistics and how we can just apply it to the data and how we can just extract some insights from the data. So understanding the concept is different, applying it to the real world is different. So you may just learn like the concepts in statistics like mean, median, etc. Some concepts, but you just want to know where you should apply it, at which situation we just want to use it. So I just want to create that as well, right? We not only explaining the concept, we will discuss where you can just apply, in which situation you can just apply that particular concept of stats. So that's the introduction video for statistics. I will just create a series of videos on statistics topics. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure to hit that bell icon as well. And with that, I will just see you all in the next video, and until then, keep learning, stay safe, and thanks for watching.